Hey guys, welcome to my channel. Today I'm gonna show you an amazing, beautiful, cozy cabin in the woods that we rented for the New Year holidays, so let's get started. Here is entrance. The first part I'm gonna show you is the bathroom. It has everything you can be needed. Cabinets and drawers filled with all sorts of things. I was worried that I forgot my coconut oil, but I found a solution to the problem here. Toothpaste, dental floss, cotton buds, tampons and something like a sleeping bag, small hair dryer, and here's just a bench of toilet paper. Here's also some stuff, and here as well. Wooden art, window, heater, so it was warm to sit on the toilet. Here's some extra stuff. First aid kit, also some wooden art, some extra towels. So what next? This is utility room with laundry, sleds and some cleaning stuff. This is the place for outerwear and shoes. So now moving to the kitchen. Here's the refrigerator. These cabinets are filled with everything as well. Just bunch of cutlery. Here's some tea. I think there were more here, I guess my friend hid the rest. There are different spices and measuring spoons of different volumes. Cooking tools, pots and pans, beans, canned food, powders, flour, some extra stuff for cooking, dishes, microwave. You know, I think there is nothing that you can't find in this kitchen. I don't cook, so I really did not need all this stuff, but I was surprised that there's so many things that you can use. There are a few bar stools. These are chargers, a fire extinguisher, phone, but it probably doesn't work. This door opens onto the veranda, I will show it later. There is a dining table on a beautiful rug. Big windows. Additional heater, 2 sofas, rug, electric stove which constantly automatically maintains heat in the house. Someone painted this house. Here's a big TV, Netflix, DVD player and box with DVDs. Here, by the way, 2 more windows, but for some reason they are closed outside. There is an extra bed in the corner. Here is another additional heater, squirrel lamp, and whole side table of board games. Well, let's go to the second floor. This is a big, really big bed. And 2 small and extra beds as well. This is the thing with time, date, weather and something. iPhone cable. Sleep mask. It's a little thing you can use with a lot of cables to charge your phone or something. This is for your clothes. This is a stereo system with vinyl record player. Here is a desk with a cozy chair where you can work with your laptop or just write something down in your notebook. It's like a small library, bookshelf and a comfortable chair. Here is another additional heater, and this is a really warm and comfortable and cozy rug. Here's another thing. It's like pillow, but it doesn't fall when you lean on it. And it changes for different purposes if you want to sit or lie down. Here is the access to the veranda. These are those large windows and beautiful views of the forest and mountains. Here's like space for outside party, fireplace, firewoods, chairs, so you can go outside your house and just chill or something. And now questions about the cost. We rented this house on Airbnb and we paid $540 for 3 nights. On the website the price per night is $114, but then cleaning fee, Airbnb commission, taxes are added, so in the end the amount increases. And my opinion about it. I loved it. I just enjoyed every minute in this cabinet. This is just amazing. Well, that's all for today. Thank you for watching, for subscribing. See you in the next videos. Bye bye.